No sound effects. No Sound Effects app contains 50 different no sounds and other negative memes to deny anything you want.
No!
No. No. No.
No.
No.
With this app, you can download each sound in the local storage of your device and can be played whenever you want and set it as a ringtone or notification.
No! No!
No. No. Oh no.
No.
You can also share each sound with your friends through chat apps, social networks, messages, and much more.
No, 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 no.
No. Oh,
Oh, no!
No.
Nope. Oh, hell no!
Oh no.
Overall, No Sound Effects is an easy-to-use soundboard app with attractive design and graphics to make the meme experience more enjoyable.
No.
Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for your time.